Life-changing wealth is being made with NFTs, or as some would say in the crypto space, wife-changing wealth, because you might make so much money that you will leave your wife, or you might lose it all and she will leave you. And this is a very important point to touch upon, because with NFTs, they are highly risky, but on the other side are extremely high rewards. It's a very unique situation, and I don't know how long it will last. Maybe a day, maybe 1 week, maybe 1 month, or even more. But right now, people are making tremendous gains. I want to restate again, there is high risk in this space. And I have been speaking with a few people over the last couple months, and they have been telling me how they have made life-changing wealth. And life-changing wealth is different for each person. For some people, that's enough money to quit their job. For some, that's enough money to put a down payment on a house. For some, that's enough to pay for their education. And for some, it might just be $5,000 or $10,000 so that they can purchase a car, right? Maybe they weren't even able to afford a car before. And also in these conversations that I've been having with people, they have been asking, well, what about non-Ethereum NFTs? Is there money to be made there? And my answer is yes. There are people that are making money on NFTs that are not on Ethereum. However, it is more likely that money will be made in the Ethereum ecosystem for a simple reason, because right now in October of 2021, this is where the money is locked in. Many people have Ethereum wallets, and also many people know how to use the Ethereum NFT marketplaces, specifically OpenSea. But when we look at these other systems, not everyone has a wallet and not everyone knows about these exchanges. You have to be practical, right? Think about it. If you want to sell your NFTs, who are you going to sell it to, right? You have to think, do people out there have the wallets? Do they know how to use the exchanges? Maybe a small percentage of people, but not as much as when it comes to Ethereum. I would say after Ethereum, the next place up where money can be made with NFTs is on Solana. And when I do look at Solana projects, I like to look at projects that are listed on SolanArt.io. This is where most of the trading is happening. Another place where Solana NFTs are being traded is digitaleyes.market. And I did want to test this out the other day, so I listed an NFT for sale and it was sold. But still, the money is on Ethereum. We are starting to see more money coming to Solana. And then after these two, it really does drop off. Now, I'm not saying NFTs on other blockchains will not be successful. I do believe that over the long run, we will see these NFTs rise. Maybe something like Cardano NFTs. I am very excited about the future, the potential for Cardano NFTs, but right now, the marketplaces are just very basic and simple. And there's not a lot of trading going on here. We have to remember that with NFTs, it's a marketplace. We need buyers and we need sellers. And right now, they are all on Ethereum. Also, we can speak about the rise in popularity of Tezos NFTs. Same thing here. How many people have a Tezos wallet? How many people know about these Tezos NFT marketplaces? Same thing for Binance Smart Chain NFTs. Right now, the money is just not there. I have not seen anything special here, but it is not to say that no one has made money. In all of these ecosystems, whether it's Binance, Tezos, or Cardano, or any others out there, there are always people that are making money. But for the most part, the likelihood of you making money is much higher on the Ethereum ecosystem. And I will mention again, I know I've said this many times already, NFTs carry high risk, but if done right on the other side are tremendous gains. And what I like about that is because there are these extremely high gains, again, with high risk, I don't have to put my whole entire portfolio into NFTs. I can put a small percentage and it can do very well. 50x, 20x, even a 5 or a 3x. Those are amazing gains. Even when you get a 2x in one day, that is amazing and very possible in the Ethereum NFT ecosystem. So you're watching this video asking, well, should I do Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Tezos NFTs, Binance NFTs? And my answer is, I don't know. In the end of the day, you need to make that decision. But me personally, I am focusing right now, today, tomorrow, this week on Ethereum NFTs. I am also looking at Solana NFTs as well, and the others more for down the line, right? If I buy something on Cardano, for example, it's something that I don't really have in mind of flipping or selling in the short term. But if I do buy it, it's something that I'll probably hold on for a very long period of time. And there are so many different angles you can take in the NFT space, so many different approaches navigating this space that's pretty confusing at times. And I would say that one of the most important things you have to understand about NFTs is the floor price versus the true value of the NFT. When you buy an NFT and you want to sell it, you have to realize, is it really practical that you're going to get the price that you want for that NFT? So I definitely would recommend that you go ahead and watch this video, link right above and in the description down below, on understanding the difference between floor price and true value of an NFT. Like this video, let's make money together. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.